Well, my neighbor needed some work done on his heating and air conditioning unit. I told him to call Ultimate Heating and Air Conditioning. Those guys are honest. They listen very carefully to everything us old folks have to say. They're very detailed in their work. I do believe that their quality is the best here in North Alabama. No questions about that. When the prices Ultimate offered just couldn't have been beat, the other companies admitted they can't match their price. Honestly, with the follow-up services that Ultimate offers and the way they handle business, I feel proud to share Ultimate Heating and Air Conditioning's information with my family and friends. I know what kind of work that they do and the way they treat the customers. I guarantee you, it's the same kind of work you'd want done at your mama's or your grandmama's house. So I suppose you're watching because you need the right company to handle you and your family's heating and air conditioning. I'll tell you, too, call Ultimate Heating and Air Conditioning, a company you can tell your friends about.